Hello my friends and welcome to episode 33. I couldn't solve two last puzzles. I have no idea how they want me to do. There is some kind of special way to write down commas and numbers, but I just don't know. It's impossible. So let's take our last 33. If I cannot solve this, we're not gonna get new puzzles. So most likely I will try these and maybe they will teach me how to do those commas. Okay, secret message. Input contains an encrypted note. To decipher the secret message, replace every G with an E. This doesn't sound very hard, as replacing integers, there was a code for that. Changes the integer letter of a string to character. Replace every G with E. So I could put here an E, character equals E, string equals input. So I get a word. Now I need to check if there is any E's inside. So I need to find G. In order to find G, I probably need to find a number of a G. Sets character to the letter of string. Don't need that. We need set string to a specific character. Okay. Integer equals string length. Is this how you pronounce it? No. Oh my god. How it was? Length. So we know that is 3 letters. Now we only need to check every letter. Okay, one more thing. Integer equals G. How you convert then? Character equals integer, okay. Character equals integer. This is only test. It's not part of a code that's gonna stay. So, oh my god. Keep doing wrong things. So 7. Need to remember this. G equals 7. G equals 7. E equals 5. So basically we check every letter in a word. I probably don't need this. Check every letter in a word and compare it if it is 7. If it's 7, we replace it by 5 or remove 2, doesn't probably matter. Something like that. One thing though, because integer is a length, I get 1 too much. So I need -1. Will it work? Yeah, it worked. So 2. 0, 1 and 2. I can go from back, it doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna put first one reg, not integer. It doesn't change anything in code. It's just easier for me, kind of in my brain, that reg is a count count of letters, and integer is the letter we check, like in order. Okay, character equals string 0 or string integer. Character equals string integer. Oh, oh. Reg, not integer. Well, maybe it was better to use integer. Okay, doesn't matter. So we got last character. Now we need to check. Check. No. Yeah. Check. Not reg. Character equals 7. False. One thing though, would it even work? Always 4. Something's not right, I think, in this check. I need to make a true check. I will understand then. Integer equals character. So, R is 18. Let's write it down. Just so I remember. It's not important in the code. So let's try 18 and see is it even work. Will it say true? Something is not right. Check. I can check string, integer. So I cannot check character? That's weird. Well, as long as I can convert character into integer, it doesn't really matter. Integer equals character and check if integer equals 18. Should be true. If it's true, it works. It is true. Okay, this thing works. But we don't need 18 because we're looking for G's. We need 7. Jump if true. Next one. So what have we done for now? Take a word, write down its length, I'm gonna put the gap here because this part I will need to repeat, come back and do again. Didn't follow. So string is an input, count the length, character into a string. So I take last character, change it into a number, compare if it's number 7, or that would be G. If it's G, I need to do something here that would be replacing it. You know, I think it would be easier to jump if false. Next one. So we jump if it's false. Because if it is true, we need to replace it. So now we're gonna deal with replacing. Actually, leave replacing later. Start. Oh, I'm gonna call it again. Start gonna be very beginning. So if it's not G, or 7 rather, we minus reg. Reg equals reg minus 1. And do it again. I see that I could have put that line at the very beginning and don't do minus here. That's just, I want it to look neat. So like this, I start with a minusing. Here I probably just check if reg is less than 0 or 0. So I start with 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2, he checks R, he jumps again, makes it to 1, checks O, jumps again, make it to 0, checks F. So yeah, I need to check here if number is not number. Check if no if check reg equals 0. Jump if true and output equals string. Jump to again. I think it should work for the first word at the moment. So we take our word, take the length of it, minus 1, check the write down the last character of word, convert it into a number, check if number is 7. It's not 7, so we jump here, Check if reg is 0. It's not 0. So we jump to again. Minus one more character. Not 18. Again. Minus one more is 0. Convert it into a number. So it's 6. Check if 6 is 7. It's not. Check if reg is 0. And reg this time is 0. So we don't do again. We jump to end and output string. Okay, this worked for the first word. Where in first word was no changes. Now we need to add a bit more pieces. So we got first. So we put our new word, count the length 5. This far is alright. Minus 1, this is important because we start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that first character, that's gonna be Y, convert it into a number, that's 25. 25 is not 7, so we go further for the next one. I'm gonna skip fast. Okay, G. Convert G into a number. It is 7. Check if integer equals 7. It is. So we don't jump, we go here. And now we need to do conversion. Change G into a E. And how we do it? Well, idea is simple. Integer equals 5. Convert it into a character, put character inside there. Integer equals 5. Character equals integer. And now we need to change it in the string. The hardest part. How you did it? String integer character changes the letter of the string, yeah. So string integer. Okay. String integer. No, not integer. String reg equals character. This should work. Let's go. So second word. Okay, G. So G is 7. We check. It's true. So we change the integer to 5. Change it into here. And now this G should be replaced with E. Will it happen? It did happen. Every. Okay, and we output every. I feel that this could work already. We probably don't need these anymore. I will delete them later. So we did pass. 17 lines. Pretty nice cycle count. Yeah, we alright. Of course, somebody did it faster and with less lines, as always. I will delete these. Yeah, quite beautiful code, I think. Don't see any problem with it. Yep, thanks for watching, and I see you next episode.